Hey, namaste. Now I'm going to make evening snack. I'm going to I have taken already potato and cauliflower. Now cut into pieces. Add turmeric, chili powder and salt. Cut into different sizes according to your choice. Now heat the kadhai on medium flame. Add oil. Then add dry chili and zira. Hey, be careful. Jeera have started crackling. Now you add chopped potato and fry it till turns into brown. In the same way, you fry cauliflower and fry it till it turns brown. But carefully. Now it's ready to grab the evening snacks. You can have with paratha, chapati, puri, but it's very good combination with khichdi. Also, you can have with rice. Thank you for spending your time with me. You also can try once and enjoy the snack. Wait. I forgot to tell that you also can make it more interesting with ketchup. So please try. Till then, tata.